Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 16 as the
Item number 16.
Yes.
Yes.
As the conducting counsel, Senior Advocate SP Mahanta is engaged in courtroom number 2.
16 or 16?
Actually, the same matter. They wanted to document it, big bulky.
Yes. This is in fact a second round of litigation, isn't it? On the same. When they are not satisfied, they say like earlier order was not complied.
But that earlier order was complied. And again, that they wanted some documents to be given to them.
But then they say that has not been complied.
There is not been complied, yes.
Yes, when do you want?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lodge.
You just say on request has been made on behalf of the petitioner on the ground of non-availability of Mr. SP Mahanto. Written made on behalf of the solicitor to adjourn the matter on the ground of non-availability of Mr. SP Mahanto, London Senior Advocate. The prayer has not been objected by Mr. K. Khan, London AG.
Obliged.
Accordingly, release this matter after 2 weeks.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. Since the learned DSGI is out of station, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Lordship.
Lordship,
When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship, after 2 weeks.
You just say 20. 2 weeks on the request made on behalf of Mr. Ed Majiga and under DSG appearing for the respondents. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I would beg to mention item number 14.
Yes.
Senior Advocate SP Mahanta is engaged in another court, so I would seek for a time of 2
Then
weeks.
we'll wait till he comes. We'll take it up at the end of the thing. You cannot say he may finish that side. This cannot be ground for adjournment. If he is not available, then it's okay. But then if he's here and if he's engaged in other court, then by the time we take up other matters, he may be free. Yes, any other matter?
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, 12 and 13.
11, 12 and 13, these
Yes,
are
Your
connected
Lordship.
matters.
This is a juvenile matter 11 and 12 and 13 is the POXO. 11 and 12 related to the juvenile matter, Your Lordship, and the 13 is the POXO.
So these are not connected matters. All separate matters.
11,
11
12
and 12 are
connected.
connected, Your Lordship.
Arising out of the same case.
Yes, Lordship. 11, 12 arising out of the same
And
case.
13 is different.
13 is different.
You are making mention on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship, and petitioner. Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time.
Yes.
No objection.
Who is appearing 13?
Lodge, I'm here for 13 also.
You have no objection. 11, 12, you are there, Mr.
Yes, Lordship.
11 Lordship.
Yes, yes.
All these three matters on the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Only obliged, Your Lordship.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention number 8.
Yes. You are making mention on
Item
behalf
number
of
8. Item number 8, Your Lordship.
item number 8, yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent, Your Lordship.
No, what is your prayer? What do you want to say about item number 8?
I beg to mention, Your Lordship.
Mention means what? Mention for what?
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time. You are appearing for
Respondent S. Dutta, Your Lordship.
respondent?
S. Dutta, on behalf of S. Dutta.
As Datta, Your Lordship.
S. Datta.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Who is S. Datta is appearing for respondent number?
For the bang, Your Lordship.
For a bank. SBI, yes.
Yes. Any objection, madam?
No, Your Lordship.
No objection. Yeah. When do you want it?
For 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay, just say a mention has been made by Mr. Swain. So just say on behalf of S. Datta, Unit Council appearing for the respondent number. Respondent number
8.
8.
1, 2, 3, Your Lordship.
1, 2, 3.
He's for
1,
the
2.
bang is
This is
1,
for
2,
2,
3.
yes.
He is
And-
making a mention on behalf of.
The bang,
You are not
Mr.
sure. We do not know on whose behalf you are making a mention.
Must
Yes, madam, you are appearing for?
Respondent number 4, my lord.
You are respondent number 4. Are you sure he is making, but then he doesn't know, he says he is making.
Your lordship, there are 4 respondents. 1, 2 and 3 are the bank and 4 is the private respondent.
So there is no respondent number 7 as such.
No, your lordship.
Say I'm not aware.
You verify. Should be certain before you make a mention before a court of law. Just we say Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. S. Datta, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 1, 2 and 3 to adjourn the matter by 2 weeks.
Your lordship.
The prayer has not been opposed by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks. Prayer alert, list after 2 weeks. Prayer alert, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item 7, your lordship. Mr. Paul is having some personal difficulty for the day.
15 matter. It's been adjourned for. Wait a minute. It's a high time. It should be disposed of.
Your lordship, Mr. Paul is having some personal difficulty today.
When it comes to personal difficulty, then court also has difficulty. You see.
Absolutely.
But then make sure you are making a mention. It's the last time. This court will
Your lordship.
not allow it. When?
After 2 weeks, your lordship.
Lordship, I've been
Yes,
deprived.
next time you oppose it vehemently.
Yes, I'm the only one keep on opposing your lordship for this. So
So remember, but then you see, like in absence of counsel, that becomes.
yes, Lordship, I understand.
And if any mention is made on personal ground,
Exactly.
Yes,
that is something
In the absence of counsel, Your Lordship, even if you hear the matter, it won't make any sense.
we just say Miss So and so, appearing Learning Counsel, appearing for the petition. Praise for adjournment of the matter on the ground of personal difficulty of Mr. K. Paul,
I finished my hearing.
Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. The Mr. S.R. Lindo, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent
number 5.
5 has opposed the prayer. However, taking into consideration that the mention has been given on the ground of personal difficulty of the senior counsel acting for the petitioner, this matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. Stop. It is expected that no further time will be sought for with the petitioner in this matter.
Come prepared next time.
Good day.
Next time, we'll come prepared.
Your lordship, in item number 10, instructions are awaited, your lordship, from the party.
Okay, but then can't you wait for the matter to come, or
No,
instruction
my lord,
means-
on 6 March 2024, my lord, senior counsel has made a submission that he will take instruction in case this matter can be infructuous. So then the next time when the matter came again on 19, so adjournment was paid again. So basically my friend is saying instruction is not complete. So my lord, unless the instruction come, the matter cannot be taken up. That is
so
the
it is
present
better
status.
to wait for the instruction.
My lord, yes.
Okay, just say. So and so, Learning Counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that she is yet to receive any instruction from the petitioner with regard to the latest status of the matter, and prays for grant of some time. You're also there, Mr. Jay. Miss R. Karni, Learning Counsel, appearing for the respondent, has no objection. Accordingly, it is this matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 19, Lordship. Let it be joint request, Lordship.
At number 19.
19, Lordship. I have some difficulty with this, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, on the request made on behalf of
Joint
the state.
request, Lordship. Joint request, Lordship.
Joint request.
On the joint request made with the parties, let's just meet after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Beg to make mention for item 17, Lordship, on behalf of Ms. R. Dattai, Lordship.
Yes.
Counsel, she is not keeping well, Lordship, so.
No objection, Lordship.
Just a request has been made on behalf of the petitioner to adjourn the matter. There is no objection from the State Council. Accordingly, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Clear obliged.
Yes.
Item number 1.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I humbly pray before Your Lordship to kindly take up this matter after 1 week, Lordship, since the learned DSGI is not present.
My prayers, my lord, I'll not insist. Here, my lord, we are basically praying for a CBI inquiry. Lordship may issue notice.
CBI inquiry for what?
Lordship, this is offshoot of against the Assam Rifles, my lord, and certain firms who have our allegation.
Why CBI inquiry has been sought for?
No, because it's Assam Rifles involved. Moreover, firms are from across the state.
What is the scam? It is employment related scam or what? What is it?
It's a public contract related.
Tender, Lordship.
From the tender.
Tender process.
For installing lighting
you?
protectors. Lordship.
What is your status? What is your locus standi?
I was one of the bidders.
You are one of the bidders.
In the tender.
You have taken part in the bidding process.
Yes.
You are unsuccessful bidder.
Yes.
And now you want CBI inquiry.
No, that we are not into my tender. We are not challenging the tender or the process of the tender. Only for on the issues of why the certain illegalities were committed, and there was an apparent collusion between the firms. And
Have you challenged the settlement process?
I beg your pardon.
Have you challenged the settlement process?
Yes, that was challenged by me earlier, and that has been dismissed. So I'm not into that matter.
So you have made a challenge before a court of law.
Yes.
And you have lost there.
Yes.
And now you want CBI inquiry.
Yes. On different lines altogether.
How can you? What is your prayer?
My prayer is for a direction, my lord. Page 27.
Oh, there appears to be some order passed by this court earlier also.
Yes, that was where I came to challenge my. Basically, I was disqualified, my lord. I was not unsuccessful. I was disqualified. That is a different issue altogether.
So why it is before this court? Oh, okay. Earlier it was a writ petition. It was a civil writ petition.
Yes, that was for the tender. We were basically challenging.
So you have failed in the civil side. You have come to any finding recorded by the High Court when you challenged the tender process?
That was on technicalities, my lord. My case was dismissed.
Whether the finding has been this thing. Now the grounds when did you file your CBI complaint?
Lordship, my CBI complaint was filed in the month of April.
April. And when did you file your writ petition, earlier writ petition?
Lordship.
April this year.
April this year, my lord.
And then when did you file your writ petition?
Lordship, my writ petition was filed.
Whether the allegation made in your severe complaint was a part of writ petition?
No, not at all, my lord. Not at all.
Then why? Then you have failed in your report. You just cannot come. You see, like.
No, Lordship may look into it, my lord. We are not here trying to seek vengeance. What this Lordship is falling from this court. That is not our intention, my lord. My first writ petition was in the month of July last year.
It's all right. Your CBI complaint came only after you ended up this thing as a loser there.
No.
Had there been success in your favor, if you were successful in earlier writ petition, CBI complaint would not have come.
No. What has happened, my lord? 3 times we came to the court. First time initially we lost the complaint. Nothing was happening. Then we came to the court. Then they changed the tender. They issued a corrigendum. They changed the entire tender. Then we again came to the court. In the meantime, they disqualified us. Now those are different issues, but the complaint was always there, and the last complaint came on the month of April.
When this tender process was settled?
Lordship.
When the settlement was made?
Lordship, may kindly give me a minute, my lord.
Mr. Reed, it appears that you have challenged that single bench order before division bench also.
Yes.
What do you have? Yes, when do you want it?
Lordship, after 1 week, Lordship. And
after 1 week.
Yes,
Obviously, it seems like it's not a fit case for issuance of notice also.
Let them take the instruction.
We'll not issue notice. We'll have it after 1 week.
I'll not press for it.
As spread for by the, you appearing for how many respondents?
Lordship,
for 1 to 4.
1 to 4, Lordship. Remaining respondents, Lordship, we have to seek instruction.
Okay, on the request made by Miss Aprodhan, counsel.
Let the notice be issued, my lord, if I may.
Lordship, if this can be done.
Notice will not be issued. We will not unnecessary
No,
burden this
only
court.
to 1 to 4, only to 1 to 4, so that they can take the instruction.
If you have any objection with her request for adjournment, then we will hear you.
No,
So
I'm
here
not
we'll
on
pass
that.
an
Since the learned DSJ is not there, I don't want to insist on
This
it.
court is still now is not in. Why should we? You see, like it is not the. You see, like you have tried before.
I
Other
see what
benches
is
you have
falling. I
failed.
see
Now
what is
you have
falling.
come
We'll
by
try to
way of
satisfy
this
how
to
this
try your
is
luck.
slightly different.
It's apparent, clear.
We'll try to satisfy them.
Just on the request made on behalf of Dr. Anvajika. And see, request made by C so and so on behalf of the respondent number
1 to 4.
1 to 4. This is matter after a week. That will
1
do.
week, 1 week, Lordship.
That will do that. That yes.
Yes.
Just say on the request. Record her name. Aprodhan, not Dr.
Highly obliged.
We'll have it.
Much obliged.
Please come prepared. You see,
I
otherwise.
understand what is falling, my lord. We'll have a tough time to try and satisfy, but I'll try to satisfy.
Definitely, it's obvious. You see,
Yes,
once you see, you have failed in the tender process.
No, we are not,
Challenge it before
entirely
court.
not on that, my lord. Only very few limited
You lost
grounds
before
here.
single judge. You lost before division bench.
Those are all there, my
Division
lord.
bench.
Yes, yes.
And now you come here.
Those are all there, my lord. I cannot deny it.
You want CBI inquiry. You filed a CBI complaint after the disposal of the
No,
petition.
initially also I had filed, my lord. This is the latest one.
Item
Be
number
that
2?
we will take it. I'll try.
Highly obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
You see, Mister, there is Supreme Court direction in recent things.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow these things.
I'm sorry.
And probably Guwahati High Court also has issued some directives with regard to that. I think like, if you follow that thing, that will squarely take care of the thing.
Sure.
How you should file, you should know it.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
3, 4, 5.
May this is your lordship.
Yes.
Item 3, 4, 5, your lordship. These are same, your lordship. In this matter, your lordship, I have been instructed that FF has been submitted, your lordship, sir. Final form had been submitted, whether it's in charge sheet or in final report. I'm yet to receive that instruction, your lordship. So let it come after 2 weeks, your lordship. 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Yes. And the request made by Mr. Andy Shulai, Learned AG. At least this matter after
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks.
Let it be 3 weeks. No objections, lordship.
No objection.
Lordship.
All 3 matters you are representing.
I'm appearing only for 3 and 5, your lordship.
Different counsel, your
The
lordship.
others? Other matters? You are item number 4. This is 2, 3, and 4, isn't it?
Yes.
For 3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, 5. 3, 4,
You are in
5.
3.
3 and 5, your
You are
lordship.
appearing. You are in 3 and 4.
3 and 5.
Then you are
3 and 5, your lordship.
3 and 5. Yes. Okay. Just record their name. Then same thing. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged,
Obliged, your lordship.
Item number 6.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 4, Lordship, in this case.
Yes. Salary report has not come. Respondent number 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So what is to be done?
can
Verify
wait
the status.
We can wait.
When
for,
did you take steps?
About a week before.
You verify. Now the online portal is there.
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to say?
No, no, sir.
The office note dated 12/4/2024 indicates that service report on respond number 2567 and 8 has not come. Stop. Await service report. List after 2 weeks. Meanwhile, you verify.
Pardon?
You verify in meanwhile. Status of the service.
Yes, I can. Yes,
Hello, Lord, sir.
Await service report.
Hearing item number 14.
Yes, any written objection has been filed.
Your Lordship, on the last occasion, the respondent, state respondent, they were supposed to file
That
it.
is what. If there is a request by the state for grant of time for filing written objection.
My Lord, in that case,
That is what order dated 22nd March.
my Lord, in that case, if I may pray for a week time, my Lord, because
I think Mr. Thaba appeared.
yes, my Lord, I was informed, my Lord. I'm sorry it escaped.
If you take time for doing something, at least
My
it's
Lord,
proper
my
to
Lord,
do.
my Lord, my Lord, my apology, my Lord.
Yes, how long will it take?
2 weeks time, my Lord.
No objection.
The request made by Mr. Argurung Lanik GA. Further 2 weeks time is granted to the state to file a written objection in the matter.
Much obliged.
Item number 21.
Nobody from the.
No, my lord. Because no one is there.
None appears for the petitioner. This is made after Mr. Renja is present. We have the state respondent.
Yes, my lord.
This is made after 2 weeks. Yes.